and what is up, guys? This is Clarice. If you're a new subscriber to this channel, I welcome you. Thanks so much for joining me. I do motherhood, DIY projects, and lifestyle videos every single week on this channel. So thanks so much for all of your support and for tuning in. I have now been a parent, a mama, for 17 months now. I can't believe it. It's gone by so fast. And I'm expecting another one right here. Anyways, if you have been a viewer for a while, I love sharing the products that I get for baby, and now she's a toddler, and literally just wanting to share out there the little things that I learned throughout motherhood that I thought would be of interest to any of you who are expecting, or if you already have children of your own. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Pikler Triangle, which I know a lot of people wonder about. So we literally just got ours last week, and we're so excited. So I thought while showing you how we put it all together, I want to tell you a little bit about the Pikler Triangle and why you need it for your kids as well. So let's get started, and hopefully you learn a little something.
So what is this Pikler Triangle that every single Instagram mama has? Well, it's a climbing structure where children learn to navigate at their own pace. And it's not just a toy, but it's literally a tool that a lot of parents are using all over the world. It's actually invented from the teachings of a Hungarian pediatrician, Dr. Emmy Pikler, hence her name. And I love it because she focuses on building freedom of motion, allowing for independent activity, and also allowing your kids from a very young age to increase their motor development. So why do you need a Pikler Triangle? Yep, these structures can actually be really pricey, but it's simply an investment because you can literally start them from when they're 6 months old all the way up to 6 years old. Another reason is it's also created around the concept of free play, and it also enables your kids to learn their physical boundaries. They can develop their fine motor skills by crawling, lifting themselves up, and also climbing, all while strengthening their reflexes and motor skills. So where can you buy them? Unfortunately, they're only mostly sold online and can get really pricey. I love ours because we found a really good quality one, and it literally came to us in 3 days. I will put their link in the description box down below. We could not be happier with our set, and hopefully you can find a good one for yours too.
Just a short little tidbit about this awesome play structure that is a total must-have for any playrooms out there. I'll put the link down below for where we got ours. Message me or comment down below if you have any questions or what you think about this Pikler Triangle. Do you need it or not? Hope to see you in the next video. Got some Halloween stuff coming up, so make sure you tune in, and I'll see you in the next one.